children. Good morning, children. Now see, I am showing you. Good morning, everyone. Now I will show one picture of a garden. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Garden, yeah. See, we can see some beautiful flowers. Yes, which flowers are there? Rose flower, sunflower, jasmine flower. Yeah, these all flowers are called plants. See, if we can see the small plants here. Yes, yes, very good. See, we are seeing some grass, some plants here. See, grass is a small plant. Then rose flower is a big plant, and we are seeing all big plants like a tree. See, in our surrounding. Which plant we are seeing in our surrounding? Coconut, mango, banyan. Now look at this. What is this? This is a small plant. Yeah, plant. So this is a plant. See, we are growing this plant in our garden, on our terrace. Okay. Now see, this plants give what this plants gives us. You know, this plants gives us some. This plants gives us fruits. See, you can see this fruits. Yes. Yeah, and this fruits, and these plants are giving us vegetables also. So these plants are giving fruits and vegetables to us. So now today our topic is kitchen gardening. We learn about kitchen gardening. Okay. See, now I am showing you some fruits. You have to say the name of this fruit. Okay. Which fruit is this?
Apple.
Apple. Yeah. An apple a day keeps healthy. Now I am showing you some more fruit. Name this fruit. Mango. Mango. Mango is the yellow color mango. Which fruit is this? Orange. Yeah, repeat. Orange. Which fruit is this? Tell me the name of this fruit. Strawberry. Okay. You like to eat strawberry? Yes. See. Which fruit is this? Tell me the name of this. Banana. Which fruit is this? Anar, no? Yeah, you are saying in Hindi anar, but you have to say pomegranate. What you have to say? Pomegranate. Okay. And you like this fruit? Which fruit is this?
Watermelon.
Yeah, juicy fruit, watermelon. Okay. Now we have seen all these fruits. Which fruit is this? Tell me. Which fruit is this? Tell me. Grapes. Which fruit is this? Grapes. You can see this grapes, bunch of grapes. Yes. Which fruit is this? Orange. And which fruit is this? Apple. Okay. Now we have seen these fruits. Now I will show you some vegetables. Okay. You have to say the name of that vegetable. Which vegetable is this? Tell me the name of this vegetable. This is radish. Mooli. Yeah, mooli, radish. Okay? Radish. Yeah. Name this vegetable.
Onion.
Yes, onion. Like this, it's look. Onion. This is a king of vegetable. Which vegetable is this? Brinjal. Now, which vegetable is this? Can you
Lady
say the
finger.
name?
Lady finger.
Lady finger. Lady's finger. Okay. Say lady's finger.
Lady finger.
Okay. Which vegetable is this?
Tomato.
Tomato. Look at this tomato.
Tomato.
Which vegetable is this?
Carrot. Carrot.
Carrot. Which vegetable is this? See, look at this. Which vegetable?
Cucumber.
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 Which vegetable is this? Tell me.
Potato.
Potato. Potato. Which vegetable is this?
Beetroot.
Beetroot. Which vegetable is beetroot? Which vegetable is this? Capsicum.
Capsicum.
Capsicum. And which vegetable is this? Guava.
Guava.
Guava. Peru. Yes, no? You are telling Peru, no? Guava. Yeah, you are eating this vegetable?
Peru.
Peru. Okay. See, you can see this vegetables like this way. Now we have learned about these fruits and vegetables. You know, these fruits and vegetables are coming in kitchen gardening. Now I will show you. See, these fruits and vegetables are having lots of seeds inside the body. So now I will show you one video. You have to see that video properly. Okay? Now I start that video. Fruits and vegetables video I am showing. And inside that seeds are there. Fruits and vegetables. So you can see in this video. Okay? Do you like this video?
Yes.
Do you like? Yes. What you see in this video? You have what you have seen? Seeds. Yeah, seeds. See this apple, pomegranate has so many seeds inside his body. No, inside its body, apple is having seeds. Then
Lemon.
lemon is also having seeds. Chiku is also having seeds. Then sweet lime is also having seeds. You have seen in this video, no? Grapes also is having seeds. Watermelon is also having seeds. Okay, see, yeah, mango is also having seeds like that. Now I will show you some fruits. See, we have seen apple. Yeah, so many seeds apple are having. Which fruit is this? Mango. Mango is having only one seed. Okay, we can plant that seed.
Orange.
Okay, now this is orange. Orange is also having many seeds. Strawberry. Ha.
Banana.
Banana. This
Anar.
anar. You can say anar, but you can say pomegranate. Pomegranate is having many seeds. And this watermelon. Watermelon is also having many seeds inside its body. Okay. Watermelon, which color? Watermelon is, what is the color of watermelon?
Green.
Yeah, green. And inside it is red. And you can see black seeds here. Yes, black seeds. Black or brown seeds inside the body. Now we are seeing some vegetables. You have to name this vegetable. Okay, you can see this. Here, you can see which vegetable is this? Radish. This?
Onion. Onion.
This?
Brinjal. Brinjal.
Brinjal.
Lady's finger.
Lady's finger. This?
Tomato.
Tomato. This?
Carrot.
Carrot. This? Cucumber. Potato. Yeah. See, this is the vegetables. Now we have seen these fruits and vegetables. Now we will see how to grow these fruits and vegetables in our terrace. Yeah. See, brinjal and tomato. Now see, now we are learning about kitchen gardening. See, kitchen gardening. Kitchen gardening means we have to grow this fruit and vegetable in our terrace or in our garden. Okay? Yeah. See, this plant I have grown in my garden. See, this plant, no, it has, see, its stem, no, it's very big. So we can touch, no, it's broke. See here. So that's why I put some sticks inside this pot and I tie this. Okay. You can see this, what teacher has told. And now see, I will cut this leaf and again I can grow this plant. And I put some balance here and I tie it. Like this, we are doing kitchen gardening. Okay. Yeah, we have to grow plants. Now, I will show some pictures. You have to say what plants we are growing in kitchen gardening. Okay. You have seen this is a ajwain plant. Ajwain is medical plant. It is good for health. When our stomach is paining, no, you are eating some ajwa, no. So it is good for you. Okay. Now see, I am showing you.
Plant है.
ये अजवाइन का प्लांट है. ये अजवाइन है ना, ऐसे सीड्स आते हैं. I will show you the seeds of अजवाइन. You can see this seeds, अजवाइन seeds.
Yes.
Yes, you can see the seeds. Yes. I grow this plant and see we can. ये देखो मैंने ये plant उगाया है. Yeah, you can see this. I grow this plant. in this pot? Yes, no? See, its smell is also good and nice. You can smell and you can make bhaji also from this plant. Ajwain plant is a medical plant, okay? Yeah, you can, yeah. हाँ, ये खाते हैं, इसके लीव्स खा भी सकते हैं. You can eat. मैं इसको यहाँ से कट करूंगी और इसकी भजी बनाऊंगी. I will make bhaji from this. Yeah, we can eat this leaf also. This is medical plant. And this ajma, no, your mama is putting in, so making vegetables, no. That time mama is using this. And on pizza also, some powder is coming. Oregano powder. That is made from this ajwain only. Okay. Now, we will see some pictures of kitchen gardening. How will we grow fruits and vegetables in our garden? Okay, I will show that pictures, and now I will show that pictures to you. Okay, now he is doing kitchen gardening on his terrace. See, he is doing kitchen gardening on his terrace. Look, this is tomato he is growing. Then now look at this. Yeah, which vegetable you can see here? Brinjal. Yeah. See, now look at this. This is round brinjal and this. Yeah, brinjal. See, like this kitchen gardening we have to do. See, this vegetable is, yeah, pineapple. See, they cut the pineapple and they put in the basket. See, now here.
Strawberry.
Strawberry is not there. This is chili. Cherry. No, chili is there. Not cherry. Chili है. जो हम लोग खाते हैं ना, red chili है. Okay. This is red chili. Now this is which vegetable? Cucumber. Yeah, cucumber. And now look at this. Which vegetable is this? Onion. Now look at this. Bitter gourd. Karela. Okay, bitter gourd. Yeah. Now look at this.
Apple.
Yeah,
Mango.
this is
Mango.
No mango. This is apple. Now see, no, this is not apple. See, this is a tomato. Green and red tomato. Okay. Yeah, this is carrot. Okay. Carrot. Yeah, carrot is correct answer. This is lemon. And this is
Grapes.
Okay. This is no. This is grapes and this is also grapes. Now say.
Guava.
Okay.
Pineapple.
Now this is pineapple. We can grow pineapple also. This is banana. This is watermelon. See, this is watermelon plant. I grow here. Yeah. Fruit bowl like this. And yeah. See. Yeah. Yeah. Apple, banana, grapes, pineapple, mango. You draw fruits like this. It is your homework. And you tell your mama to give you methi seeds. And you can plant methi seeds like teacher. Here what teacher shown you. Okay.